Welcome back to TekSwipe. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a stunning website using TenWeb.io's powerful AI technology without any coding required. So let's get started. First, click the link provided in the description below to open up TenWeb.io. This intuitive software will make website creation a breeze. On the web page, click the Login Sign-In button to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. But if you don't, click the Create Your Account Now button under the Login section. Fill in your information and click the Get Started for Free button, or use the convenient Sign Up with Google option. Now click Create a new website with AI. Choose the type of website you want to create, such as an informational website or an online store website. For this example, I'm selecting an online store website. Then click Next to proceed. In the Choose Your Store Type bar, enter the specific type of store you prefer. For instance, I'm creating an online computer accessories store. Once entered, click Next. Now provide a name and description for your website. Then click the Next button. It's time to add the first 3 products to your website store. Then click the Next button. Select a tone of voice for your website, whether it's informal or formal. I will leave it as informal for this example. Click the Finalize button and patiently wait for the AI to finish the generating process. Once the process is complete, click Preview and Edit. Congratulations! Here is the website we've created using AI. You can now make edits and customize it to your liking. If you want to change the color palette and font, simply click the customization icon at the bottom right of the screen. After selecting the perfect palette and font for your website, click the Save and Edit button. To make further changes, click the pencil icon at the bottom right of the page to access the powerful TenWeb Builder elements. To take full advantage of these elements and make changes, you need to make a subscription and get a chance to use the TenWeb Pro for 7 days. And that's how you create a website using AI without any coding. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.